Welcome back to the Velocity Impact Products SureFire training course. In segment 4, our focus will be on creating a customer and building a quote. To get started, locate the Add New Estimate button in the upper left Open Estimates box. This new window is where you will enter your customer info, your markup or margin, tax, and the job name. Your customer's information should be entered on the left-hand side of the page. As you enter their information, a new box may pop up with existing customers you have in the system. If the current customer is listed, select their name from the box. To continue adding a new customer, click off of that box anywhere on the screen and continue entering the information for this section. Next, enter in your job name and the job information on the right side of the page. Please note, this information will be visible on the quote. Velocity does not have access to this information. If your customer's information is the same as the job information, you can simply click the Job Same as Sold to button, and all of those selections will be pre-filled with what you entered on the left side of the screen. You will now enter in your desired markup or margin located at the top of the page. This is for this customer or job solely, not for all jobs that you enter. Then, select your tax rate. Finally, click Save when you have made all the necessary selections. You are now ready to start building a quote. To start, click the Add New Line button. The first window will show our current product offering. Patio sliding doors will be our sliding glass doors. Storefront will be our impact wall system. Miscellaneous products would be parts broken down by each individual part name and number. If you are going to quote our parts, please go to our website and under the For the Pros section, visit our parts guide for a breakdown of our parts by part number. For this example, we are going to start with quoting a sliding glass door. Click Patio Sliding Doors. You will now have the option to select a bypass sliding door or a pocket sliding door. We are going to select bypass slider. Next, all of our configurations will come up. We have these in order of track first, the number of panels second. We are going to select a 2-track, 4-panel door to get started. Now, we will select the interlock size for this door. Choose between our 4 1/4 inch, 3 inch, or the inch and 3/8 interlock. We will select the 1000 bypass 2-track, 4-panel door as shown. Enter in the sizing, width, then height. Now that we have the sizing entered, let's move into customizing the door. Here, you will select whether to reinforce the interlock or not. Please note that in order to quote our 3-inch interlock, you must select reinforced. For this example, we are going to quote our 3-inch interlock, so we will select the reinforced option. To continue quoting the 3-inch interlock, we need to jump down to the Options section, the last selection on the left side. From here, we need to select the narrow interlock, which is the 3-inch interlock I am quoting. You can also select from the several other options we have available. I am also going to select the anchorless sill option. Once the selections have been made in the Options section, let's move back up to the Configuration tab and select the door configuration. Select the sill riser. Choose the finish color, then the glass type, the preferred interlayer, low E option, then the tint. I will go over the Muntin options in a later video. For now, let's go down to the interior handle selection. I will select the crest handle, then the handle color. I am going to select black to match the finish of our door. The next selection, you will notice it did not default to an exterior handle. Check and make sure that you are selecting the exterior handle. If you know the configuration should have one, please note, center meet doors with fixed outside panels will not have exterior handles, as they have butt-style astragals. For this door, I will select the crest handle to match the interior. as well as selecting the finish again. Then select the screen option needed. Another note here, we do not offer screen doors on 3, 4, or 5 track door configurations. After the screen option has been made, the quote is complete. Be sure to click the Save button at the top of the screen. You've completed Segment 4 of our SureFire training course. Watch Segment 5, where we'll go over quoting pocket doors, muntins, and two-tone finishes.